Hi guys, welcome to Cognitive Hub SQL Tutorials. Till now we have seen about how to create a table without specifying any conditions for any constraints for a particular column, and in this video we are going to see about how to create a columns, like how to create a table with the columns having some specific constraints in SQL. Now in this video mainly I am going to explain about the constraint for a column known as not null. Now without wasting any time, let's dive into the topic. Okay guys, here first of all what I am doing is, previously we have seen about how to create a table and all. Now I am first of all creating a sample table here. Create table. The sample table is something like table 1. Just I am creating a sample table here, and id as s underscore id as integer, and then first underscore name as varchar. From varchar of the length of the string, I am specifying it as 10. Now what we have done here is, if you execute this type of statement like for creating a table, then what it will do is it will create a two columns here. One is s underscore id and second column is first underscore name. So what it is doing is, there is no specific conditions for it. Only the first column will accept integer and second column will accept the null, only the strings. Whether it is a blank string, empty string, or whether it is a null value, it won't care. It only accept this character varchar, and first column will only accept the integer values. Suppose if I am trying to insert some data here, insert into table 1 values. I am trying to insert some details here. So for the si underscore id I am just mentioning it as 1, and for the first underscore column I am mentioning it as just like Subbu. So if I run this, okay, it is showing some, okay, I haven't run this particular table 1. So first of all I am running that one, table 1, and then I am running the inserting into a table command here, insert query here. So once it is done, one row is inserted. Similarly what I am doing is, if you want to know the contents in the table 1, select star from table 1. If you run this query, you will get all the contents present in the table 1 table. So if you observe that si underscore id is 1 and first underscore name is Subbu. Here I already said that here we haven't specified any condition for it. Suppose if I want to enter this type of columns like 2 comma like empty string, that is null value I want to enter. So generally what happens is, in a normal business constraints we don't want any null values in the tables, but here we have entered this type of null values. Here we haven't specified any constraint for this particular first underscore name column. That's why it is successfully executed and it prints that one row is inserted. So if you run the query select star from table 1, so you will get two rows here. One is SID as 1 and another one is SID as 2. Here the first name as Subbu and another one is null, because we haven't specified any value here. So in normal constraints, suppose if you don't want if your table do not accept any null values, then you can specify a column in the table as a not null constraint by using a not null constraint. So how to do that I am going to explain now. So first of all I am dropping this table, drop table 1. I am running is, it is dropped. Now what I am doing is, I want to execute the table 1 again here. So create table 1 with SID int and first underscore name varchar as not null. So now what happens is, here the first underscore name is not null. That means no null value will accept here. For every row, first underscore name should not be null. So that is what the not null means. That means the second column, first underscore name column, will not accept any null values here. It should contain a minimum of at least one length of string here. So if I execute this insert into table 1 values 2 comma empty string, then it will throw a error for us, because it is showing that cannot insert null into system dot table dot first name. So because what happens is we have specified the constraint known as not null here. So that is the main importance of specifying a constraint for a column in table as a not null. So if you specify a not null, it won't accept the null values while inserting a data into a table, and it will throw a error. So this is how you can specify a not null. And this is all about one of the constraint in SQL. And in the next video I am going to explain about one more constraint in SQL. So that's all for this video about the not null constraint, guys. Thank you for watching.